Uh, Guys, can you hear me, guys? Am I audible? Please let me know in the chat. Okay, fine. Okay, we can wait for 2-3 minutes, then we can start. Guys, who has joined? Can you share this meeting link in the main channel? That is the Joho group exam discussion group, which has the 12,000 members, right? Can anybody share that one? So others also can join. I was not part of that group. Can you do that, guys? Sherman, can you do that? Okay, guys, let's start the session. Okay. You all can hear me, right? Please let me know in the chat. Guys, can you hear me? Please let me know in the chat. Okay, fine. That's good. Okay. Yesterday I was discussing about while loop. There was some issue, right? So I'm going to be discuss again now. Okay. What we have to check while in loop, while loop, we have to first thing we have to check whether it has curly braces or not? Yes, curly braces. If no curly braces, immediate next statement will be taken, right? Third one, after a while, semicolon, semicolon. These three it is going to be checked. Guys, for suppose if there is a one statement like this, while let's say int a equal to 10, a plus plus less than 20, a plus plus, and here print statement, print of a. So what does it mean? Here it is going to be checked whether after while we have any curly braces or not. There is no curly braces after that. That means after immediate statement only belongs to the while loop. So what does it mean? While a plus plus. Guys, understand this one? So when there is no statement, sorry, no curly braces, next immediate statement only belongs to the while loop. Other conditions not belongs to the while loop. Guys, it is the same as do while. It is the same as if condition. All are same only. Another one. Let's suppose here int a equal to 10, while a plus plus less than 20, a plus plus, here a plus plus. What does it mean, guys? It means after while there is semicolon. That means there is no statements. It has empty statements. It means it has empty statements. Let's understand the difference between both with semicolon, without semicolon. This is the main difference, guys. You have to understand this one because this is a very important concept and very basic concept. You will get questions on based on this only. Okay, guys. Okay, let's do some questions on this, and after that we will talk about for loop. Guys, after the class, you have to frame your own questions and try to solve the questions, guys. Then only you will get grasp on this, and in a real exam, you will be going to be solve the questions, and you will get exact output. Okay, guys. Let's say int a equal to 10. Do while a plus plus, a plus plus. Guys, you have a 2 minutes time. Try to solve this one. You have a 2 minutes time. Try to solve this one. Guys, please let me know if you unable to solve this one. I'm going to be explain. This is the very basic thing. Guys, you have 1 minute, guys. Please try to solve this one. Okay, guys. Guys, I didn't understand why only three guys only given the answers. Other guys didn't understand how it will work or what? Please let me know, guys. If you guys didn't understand, that means I'm going to be again will explain everything. Guys, one thing is clear. These things definitely most of the questions like this only will be comes in the first round. So if you solve now, if you clear the first round, are almost 80% chances to get job in the job, right? So try to everybody solve this one. If you didn't understand, if you didn't get the answer, please let me know. Okay, guys, that's fine. Okay. First of all, we have to understand here how it will be. So do after do what's supposed to be, it is going to be checked whether it has braces or not. If there are no curly braces, so next immediate statement is going to be taken. What is the next immediate statement? While, right? After while there is any statement, curly braces, no. So immediate next statement, what is the immediate next statement? A plus plus, right? While. Guys, understand how I have taken this one? Guys, if you have any confusion between the do while and while, when they are given both after do, which has ends with the, which while is ends with the semicolon, that is belongs to do while, guys. So here check which while is next to that while while we have a semicolon, second one. So do while the middle one is part of the, it will be the middle of the do. Guys, understand how I have taken? This is very basic, guys, and very important things also. Okay, guys, I will solve this one. Okay, what will happen initially? The memory space will be going to be created. A value here 10, right? What will happen when it comes to do? It will go for the while. It is going to be checked. It is the pre or post. It is the post. So directly it's take the value. Here 10 less than 20. Right, guys? After that, it is going to be increment here. It is true. That's why it comes here. Again, it is going to be increment by 1. So here now 12. So again, it comes here. This is the while loop, right? It will iterate until it goes to false. So now what it will be? It is the 12 less than 20 is true. Again, it is going to be incremented here, right? Now a plus plus, again it is going to be incremented by 14. Guys, understand this one? Again, it will take its value as a 14. 14 here it is going to be increment and it is going to be check here. 14 less than 20 is true. It comes here. In the same way, when it comes to 20, 20, guys, understand 20, 20 less than 20, true or false? It is a false case. But here, after that, 20 is going to be incremented by 1. That is the 21 here. When it is a fails, it will come to this while loop. Here, a plus plus, what is the here value? 21. 21, but after that it is going to be incremented as a equal to a plus 1, so its value will be 22. Here 21 less than 20, true or false? It is a false, so it will comes out. And now it is going to be print the a value. What is the a value now? Last updated value is 22. That is the output, guys. Guys, you understand, guys? Please let me know in the chat, guys. You can message me something, so that's why I will know. Okay, guys. Guys, please try to solve as many questions, guys. Then only you will be get benefit from this. Otherwise, it's waste of time. Okay, guys. The next question would be, wait a second, guys. Guys, try to solve this question, guys. You have a 2 minutes time. Wait a second, guys. Wait. Yeah, try to solve this question, guys. Here A value is 10, guys.
హలో.
Yeah, bro. Tell me.
బ్రో అది ఇవాళ నేను జాయిన్ అయ్యాను. సో ఇదేంటి కొంచెం తెలుసుకోవచ్చా?
Sorry, bro.
ఇవాళ జాయిన్ అయ్యాను నేను. అది టెలిగ్రామ్ లో చూసాను మీటింగ్.
Okay.
సో ఇది ఫ్రీ కోర్స్నా?
Yes, bro.
అది జావా అన్నా బ్రో?
Yeah.
సో బేసిక్స్ అన్ని అయిపోయినాయా బ్రో ఇది?
No. This is the third class.
థర్డ్ క్లాస్? ఓకే
Yeah.
ఓకే. ఓకే ఓకే బ్రో. నేను టెలిగ్రామ్ లో మెసేజ్ చేస్తాను. 2 క్లాసులు వీడియోస్ ఉంటే పంపిస్తారా కొంచెం?
Will do, bro. Message.
థ్యాంక్స్ బ్రో.
Okay. Guys, please. You have a 2 minutes time, guys. Please try to solve this one.
ఎన్ని డేస్ అండి ఇది మొత్తం కోర్సు?
4 weeks, bro.
4 వీక్స్
I think
మొత్తం
good,
జావా
bro.
బేసిక్స్?
Sorry, bro.
అదే 4 వీక్స్ మొత్తం కంప్లీటా లేక
It's like a
బేసిక్స్?
first, like second and third week, focus on like lead code level, low level and medium level questions, and week 4 will be on application development.
ఓకే ఓకే.
Guys, have you solved this question, guys? Hope it will be 24, guys. Guys, here I have given the year. In this line, I have given a one system print line, and others also I have given, right? Year also, year also. But you are giving only one line statement. What does it mean, guys? Guys, please try to understand the question, guys. Okay, guys. Okay. How it will be, guys? Initially, it will take the memories. It will be created memory space, right? With the A value will be 10 year. With A value 10, it will come inside and it is going to be incremented. First, it will take its value after incremented, right? So here the value will be 10 this case, but here it is incremented to 11. Here, guys, here there is no case with the 10, right? So default it will be taken. So 10 after it is a, when it comes to here, it is 11. Again, it is going to be incremented. That means its value will be 12. Here the 12. So 12 a percentile 2 equal to 0. It's 2, right? 12 percentile 2, it means 0. So a minus minus. It is going, first it is going to be print. It is going to be print 12, but it is going to be here decremented by 1. Guys, understand this one? Then again it comes to here. It is going to be system dot out dot println a. It is going to be again, it is going to be printed as a 12. After it is going to be decremented a minus minus. A minus minus. So that means it is a 10. Right, guys? Okay. What will happen? Again, it will comes to here. What is the value here? 10. But here its value is going to be increment by 1. That is 11. It is to. No, it's not goes to infinite loop. Here you can see a plus plus less than 20. That means it will be false somewhere. So it is comes out of the loop. Where in at what time it will be false, guys? The 20 less than 20. In this case, it is going to be false. But here incremented value is a 21. So in that case, it is going to be fail, guys. Guys, here you can check. It is up. You can check, guys. It's not an infinite loop. After some time, it comes out. Right? It is not an infinite, guys. Okay, guys. Guys, if these questions you feel a little bit hard or what, guys? It is very basic only, guys. Not that much difficult. Very basic level questions these are. Okay, guys. Another question. Guys, try to solve this question, guys. You have a 2 minutes time. 16, 20 false. Okay, fine. Guys, I'm expecting some at least 5 to 10 responses, guys. We are 17 people. We're expecting some good responses, but nobody doing. Guys, if you didn't do anything now, if you just attend the classes and leave now, you are only going to be lose, guys. Okay, guys, fine. I'm going to explain this. Okay, guys. Initially, you have to remember when there is a one statement like initialization, you have to create a memory space for that. A value here 10, for B it is 20, and for bool it is false. Okay, guys. How now it comes to the do loop, right? Do while loop. It comes here. Here it is going to be check while a it is a plus plus. That means it is a post, right? So first directly it will access its value. So 10, and here it is going to be increment. It is 11. 10 less than 5. True or false, guys? It is true. So comes inside. What does it mean here? Bool equal to not bool. Here, what is the bool value? Bool value is a false. So not a false, what will happen? It is a true. It is a true. So its value changes to true here. Okay. So again it comes here, right? Because this is the loop, while loop, right? It is going to be iterate until it goes up false. So after what will happen? It will access the a value. Here in the case a value is 11. Here it is going to be increment. It is increment to 12. It is incremented to 12. Check, guys, it is a true. Again it is going to be changed. Here true. Now it in this case, after this statement it goes to false. Again it iterates. It will comes here. It will directly access this one. So 12, but here it is going to be value will be changed here. So 12 less than 15 is a true. Again it comes here. Again it's going to be changed its value to the false to true, right? Again it will another time it will iterate. It will access the value that is 13 here this case. But it now it is the value will be incremented by 1. It is a 14. So it is again true. Again here bool value is going to be changed to false, right? Now again access the value 14 less than 15. 14 less than 15. But here it is going to be increment to 15, right? 15. Again it is true, so that's why it comes to here. It is going to be changed to true. Now in this case it will come 15. It is going to be increment to 16. 15 less than 15. It's a false, so it doesn't go inside, right, guys? Okay, guys. Here we are not using any time b value, so b value is 20. A value here, last updated value is 16. Guys, understand, guys? Okay, guys. Fine. Yes. Oh, wait a check, guys. I will check in Eclipse. Yeah, check guys. 1620 false. Guys, here check guys. 1620 false. I think I missed somewhere to update the value here. Was 13. It is true. False. True. Guys, wait guys. Wait a minute guys. Wait guys, wait guys. Wait guys. Guys, here I have missed one time, I think. At the time of 13, I have missed here. So that's why it's final here true. Here you can see I have missed the 13th time. So that time it will be false actually. So while it comes to here, when this loop is false, it comes to here bool of false. So that's why it comes out and it's print as a false. You can see. Guys, leave that question and I'm giving another question. It is. Guys, try to solve this question, guys. Guys, same type only. Try to solve this one. You have a 2 minutes time. Okay, guys, fine. One last question in this model, guys. Okay, guys, fine. Guys, how this will be, guys? Initially, here initially a value 10, right? So boolean bool value initially false. F. Guys, what will happen here? It will be taken 10 and it is going to be increment by 1. 10 less than 15. It is a true. So it will comes inside. So bool equal to not of bool. So it will be true this case. This is a true. So first true is going to be print. Okay, guys. True is going to be print. And loop iterates. It will comes here. So in this case, a value 11. But here it is incremented by 1. So that means the value will be 12. It will come here. Bool equal to not bool. So that means here true. It is going to be false now. False now. So second one will be the false. The next one will be the true. Next one will be the false. Next one will be the true. Yes, this is the thing. Guys, understand, right? Okay, guys, fine. Okay, guys, next topic will be based on for loop. Okay, guys. The for loop. Guys, the basic syntax of the for loop like this for. What does it mean, my? This is for initialization. This is the actual checking syntax. I mean, conditional statement here. Yes, that's true. This will be the here we can take it as anything. It is okay. It is also here also we can do any operations like not only increment, we can do decrement, whatever we can do here also. Okay, let's suppose here for int a equal to 10, I have taken a less than 20. A plus plus I can take, or otherwise any operations also I can perform, right? A plus plus also I can take, a minus. That is okay, fine. If it here not only it is for increment, we can do decrement also. Whatever we want, we can do here. Guys, understand here? This is the very basic, guys. The for loop has a three parts. First is for initialization. Second one for condition. Third one for increment or decrement. Okay, guys. Here also we need to check three things. Same as a while loop, do while loop, and if condition. What are these? What are those? First one we have to check after for we have any curly braces or not. Second one, no curly braces. That means immediate next one belong to this one. And third one will be semicolon. Guys, what does it mean? Let's suppose that the first one is a common thing. Everybody knows about it. This is the common, everybody knows. Second one I'm going to tell you because only little people only, some people only know about it. What does it mean when there is a for loop without curly braces? There is a, let's say there is a two statements. What will happen in this case? Immediate next to the for loop, that is only belongs to the for loop. Other one, it's not belongs. That means for a plus plus, the remaining thing will be here. This is the actual syntax, guys. Compiler will take like this. Guys, understand this one? Immediate next statement. Here after for immediate next statement is this one. So it is going to be part of this one. The next one, second one is not part of the for. This is the very important, guys. Okay, guys. Third one, after for loop, directly semicolon is there. That means, it means after for, there is only empty statements. Empty statements, guys. This is the very basic and very important, guys. These two is very confusing things. So that's why you get a questions on these two. And other thing is we have to remember one more thing. Let's suppose here in condition there is nothing gives now. That means it is always taken as a true. Always taken as a true. Guys, this is a very important fourth one. If there is no condition gives, that means it is by default compiler will take it as a true. So it will going to be repeat infinity times. Infinity times it's going to be repeats. Infinity times. Guys, these three are very important. First one is after for loop, there is no curly braces. Only next immediate statement will be taken. That is only belongs to the for loop. Second one, when there is a semicolon, that means it has only empty spaces, empty statements. Third one, there is in a condition statement, there is nothing given. That means it is always be taken as a true. These are very important, guys. These are very important. First, suppose they have given like this. Okay, will do. Guys, this is the very basic concept, guys. Please try to understand. Everybody knows about when there is a for loop with the curly braces. Inside the curly braces, let's suppose there is a n number of statements. All the statement belongs to the for loop. These n number of statements is going to be executed until it is this condition is false. Right, guys? But comes to in second one, after for there is no curly braces. That means immediate next statement only part of the for loop. Let's suppose like this. Let's suppose int a equal to 10 for here a plus plus Again here a plus plus. What does it mean, guys? 1 minute, guys. Wait a second. Okay, guys. What does it mean? First, we have to check after for loop there is any semicolon. Sorry, is there any curly braces available or not? If there is no curly braces, so immediate next statement only belongs to this one. So how it will be? Like compiler will take like this, guys, a plus plus, here a plus plus. So first statement, right? That is only belong to this for. How many times this a plus plus will be executes until the statement goes to false? Guys, understand this one? This is the second most important thing. And third one, after for loop, semicolon will be there. So it means it has empty statements. Empty statements. How many times it is going to be repeat, guys? Until this condition and until this condition is false. Guys, understand this thing? Okay, guys. The one important thing here, when there is no condition gives the only empty thing is there, nothing is there, it means nothing. That means it's always taken as a true. It is going to be repeats unlimited times, infinite times. We need to remember these things when comes to the for loop. This is very important, guys. Okay, guys. Let's solve some questions here. Int a equal to 10. Yes, for loop. There is nothing given here. A plus plus less than 15. A minus minus. A plus plus. Here a plus plus. Guys, what will happen in this case? You have a 1 minute time. Try to solve this one and let me know. In the chat box, let me know. Okay, guys. Guys, how it would be 17, guys? Would be 16 only. Guys, fine. Guys, I think I have already shared one sheet with you guys. Guys, I think I have already shared with you guys, right? This one. Guys, solve this one. You have a 2 minutes time, guys. Guys, you have a 2 minutes time. Please try to solve this one. Okay, guys, super. Nice, guys. Yeah, fine, fine. Okay, guys. Another question. Okay, fine. Okay, guys, cool. Guys, you have a 2 minutes time. Try to solve this one. Guys, you have a 2 minutes time, guys. Try to solve this one. Okay, guys, super. Yes, guys. Fine, fine, fine. It's infinite loop. Correct. No? We can simply say because here A is going to be increment by 1 and B is going to be decrement. So always be value will be same only, right? So it comes in the infinite loop. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, I have a lot more questions. I will share you the PDF. You have to solve those questions. If you face any problem, please let me know. Okay, guys. And now I'm going to talk about transfer statements, guys. These are very important transfer statements. What are the main transfer statements, guys? Return. Second one is break. Third one is continue. Third one is continue. Guys, the returns about return I will explain you in while I am taking a class about functions. Now I am going to be explain these two. Break and continue. Guys, usually break means you have to stop the 1 minute, guys. Class లో ఉన్న 10 minutes మళ్ళీ చేస్తాను. Guys, what does mean by break? Break mean we have to that current loop, not all the loop. Which loop you are in present, that current loop you have to stop. That current loop, guys. Let's suppose, remember this key point, that current loop. This is the key point, guys. When you check that break means when you got the break, at that time which loop you are in, that loop only you have to stop. You have to come from that loop, that current loop. You have to remember this key point. This is current loop. Like, let's suppose here you are doing one iteration using the for loop. Int I equal to 0, I less than, let's suppose 10. Here you are doing every time increment, guys, I plus plus, let's suppose I plus plus. If I equal to 5, you have written as a break. That means you have to come out of this one. If you want to print here I value, now what will it will be? It will be 5. Because when I value is 5, you are going to be break this one. That means you are comes out of from the this current loop. Guys, remember this one. This is the key. Here in the key point is the current. When there is a more number of loops, let's suppose there are 3 loops. Let's suppose 3 loops. Suppose here I equal to 0, I less than 10. Let's suppose here int j equal to 0, j less than 10. Int here k equal to 0, k less than 10. Suppose inside here, this is the outermost loop, guys. For example, if you get the break statement here, you have to come out of the current loop. What is the current loop? This one, outermost for loop, right? You have to come out of here. Let's suppose you got the break statement here. Here, you will come out of from this loop, but you are still in the another loop. Outer is another loop is there, right? That loop is going to be executed. Let's suppose you got a break innermost loop. So what will happen in this case? It will comes out of from here and second level loop is going to be continue. Guys, understand this one? Okay, guys. The key point is current loop. You have to comes out from that particular loop only, but other loops will work as normally only. This is a very important thing. The next one is continue. Next one is continue. What will happen this way when you encounter the continue? That means you are not comes out of the loop, not from loop. You just instead of the executing the next statements, let's suppose you got the continue statement here, you have a next several statements. Instead of continue the execution of these statements, you have to go again to the that particular loop. Yes. Yes, guys. Let's suppose here there's the for my value here, there is a condition here also I incrementing. Suppose here if I equal to 5, that means you do continue means here you have a print statement, print of I. What will happen, guys? Let's suppose here I value 0, I less than 10, I plus what will happen? First I is going to be print value 1, oh sorry 0. Next 1 will print, 2 will print, 3 will print, 4 will print. What will happen when it comes to the 5? 5 it is a true, right? It is continuous. It's not comes to the here. It goes to top. It goes to top here. It goes to top here. Again it is going to be this I plus plus will be executes. So again it will be 6. It is 7, 8, 9. Guys, understand how it will work? Continue means when you encounter the continue means you are not comes out from that loop. You just stop the execution of the remaining statements. This is the very basic, guys. This is the key point here. Okay, guys. And for and break we can see two places. In a switch also we have a break, and for loop and loops we have a break. What will happen in switch case if you see the break in switch means you comes from that switch, out from that switch. If you see the break in loop, you comes out from that loop. Yes, current execution will break, right? Guys, understand this one? Okay, guys. These are very, very important things. Switch, switch break, and loop break. Loop break. If you see the break inside the switch, you have to come from that switch only. Guys, understand this one? Let's solve this simple problem. Int I equal to 0. Yes. I less than 10. I plus plus. There is a switch. Case I percentile 2. It's like this 2, 4, 6, 8. System dot out dot println I. Here the back. The default. Guys, try to solve this one, guys. Guys, try to solve this one. Yes, guys. It will print 0 to 9, guys. Correct. It will print 0 to 9, guys. So what will happen here in this case when you come when 0, that means default will be it will print default. When it comes to 1, again default. When it comes to 2, it will print 2 and break, so it will comes out, and again for loop will execute, continue, right? For loop will continues. In this way, everything is going to be print. So 0 to 9 is going to be print here. Okay, guys. The next one, int I equal to 0. Guys, solve this one. You have a 2 minutes time, guys. Try to solve this one. Yes. Okay, guys, I am going to be explain here. What will happen initially? I value 0, right? Memory space I value 0. Here I value 0. It comes to check here 0 less than 10 is true. Comes inside. Switch off I and switch off I means I value here 0. Here no case 0 is available. So default one comes. So system dot out dot of I value 0 is going to be print here. It comes after that no statements is there, so it directly comes from the out from the this switch, and it comes to here I percentage 2 equal to 0. 0 percentage 2, what does it mean? 0, right? So 0 equal to 0, that's true. So it comes inside break. Where is the break? First we see the break inside this for loop. So it is going to be out from this for loop. So what will be the what it is going to be print? Only 0. Mr. Srinivas, understand this one? Only 0 going to be print. Okay, guys. Okay, this is very important thing. Take a minute, guys. Hello. Hello. క్లాస్ చెప్తున్నా 10 నిమిషాలు చేస్తాను నేను. Guys, guys, what will be the solution? Please try to solve this one. What will be the output? You have a 2 minutes time. Okay, guys, fine. Infinite loop. Super. Okay, guys, last question today. Guys, solve this question, guys. Okay, guys. 21. Very simple. Super, guys. Okay, guys. Guys, you have to solve as many as possible, as many as questions on these topics. Increment and decrement operators, conditional statements, and iterative statements. Iterative statements. And continue and break. Okay. These are very important, guys. At least you will see at least 4 plus questions in the first round. You're supposed to do as many as possible questions, and you have to frame your own questions and try to solve. Once you solve this question, then you try to execute in a IDE, so you will get more idea. And actually, I don't have much time, so that's why I'm not framing more questions. Mostly, this Saturday, I'm going to be frame around 50 to 100 questions, and I will share with you. Try to solve all those questions. You will be benefited, guys. And tomorrow's class will be based on functions, guys, and arrays and strings. These will be going to be covered in next 2 days. So these are very important, and these functions, arrays, and strings, I'm not going to be teach again in first next week onwards. Like while I'm explaining about the second round questions, I'm not going to be again explain these arrays and strings. So better to attend the classes tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. That is very important. Guys, do you have any other questions, guys? Please let me know. If you guys have any questions, now let me know, guys. And one more thing, I will send the question formats, like different questions. You have to, like, assignment wise, you have to send all the answers to me. So I will, if you face an issue also, please let me know. So I will be helpful to explain you the better. Okay, guys, let's wind up the session. Okay, fine.